Umintri katanat Public Health Engineering Umarcus and Marak hagasngi baar ulaong baga sorkar Meghalaya kan penlong ya kajal Utsav haman lagi shnong jong kajala kumshibenta jong kajal Jiven Mission 2.0 ban Pynsngewthuh Paidbah ya kajingdon kam ban Sumar bat kajingedai ki Tyllong Kani ka program Pynsngewthuh Paidbah kabalazang ha ka arpau terik mentau benai ha kajingelang ka behe bha kabalalong State Convention Center. Hakajinge keren bikilat patai Khubor, Menteri uloong bakajingelap kabaan peniat Paidbah hadu unriu benai, kan long hakilai teli kinongrim ki pekongsan ki bede berkeum, kata ban lekmen, Pynsngewthuh bat ban yadaya ka. Shushu uloong bakathong jengani kajingelap kalong ban penyesok lang yi ki self-help group, bat kirang bashnong hakajing Sumar bakajingeda yi ki Tyllong
I had a program there in State Convention Center as per the mandate of Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0 Government of India. It was a launching of Jal Utsav, Jal Utsav, guided theme of that was celebrating water, securing sources. These are the guided principles: celebrating water and securing sources, with three principles in it. The three principles are celebrate, understand, and protect. These were the three principles based on which we have launched this Jal Utsav. We will be having this kind of a program for the next 6 months all across the state. This especially is to bring an awareness to all the stakeholders, especially our BWACs, self-help groups, and the village leaders there in the village level, to make them understand that we need to celebrate water, we need to protect it, and we need to protect the sources as well. So this is the message that we want to send. And yesterday was the launching of this kind of a program.